Okay, I have a regulation bee suit. I don't like to wear it. One thing is blistering hot. Two, the bees are general usually. This is mosquitoes, a mosquito net. I think, like I said, I got the whole bee suit, hood and all, but I wear this. Uh, it keeps them out of my eyes and my face. If they get rowdy, I can cover my face and all, and I don't get stung. So this is what I wear. I am blessed with gentle bees. One of the reasons when I split my hive, I always pick the gentlest queen I can find, and I split her hive. That way, you don't wake up with bees stinging all over your head. Now, like I said, it's going to be hard to film all this, uh, but I'm going to do my best. We're going to see how it comes out right now. Oh, Lord. Lord, the hive beetles. Can I believe this? They taking off in all directions. I get this away from here. I'll get that out there and get that smoker on it in a few minutes and get them beetles out of there. I ain't gonna have that all over the place. Now, all right. Well, there's another hive beetle. Sorry about that. That's one way to get rid of them. All right. They seem to be pretty quiet, but you don't really want to start them out. Ooh, that's on there tight, boy. All right, go away. We don't want y'all to get all upset. I know that was a bang. All right, let's see what we got. Got a bunch of bees up in there for sure. I got a bunch of bees up in there for sure. I'm not too much worried about the queen because I know she's down here below this queen separator. Right there. I know she's below that, so I'm not really worried about her. Let's see what I got here now. Try not to reach across the hive. It kind of aggravates them. Uh, some of these hives are going to be hard to get into, apparently. Some of them are going to be a little hard to get into. I'm doing just what I said don't do, reach across the hive. I'm going to leave that for you. Behave. No fair stinging. Look, I like weed. I like smoke, but not that much. I save all that wax. You'd be surprised how much money I get for that wax. I better hit him with smoke. He's getting aggravated with me. Getting aggravated. Oh, now that got me. You see, I hit him. I hit him, and he got me. Okay, sorry about that. Let's behave, okay? Right on the tip of my cotton picking finger. Now that's smart. And like I said, it's my fault. Why? Because I pushed down on top of it. I know one thing. I got a frame that's no good. That's got to go. I'll behave. I truthfully don't understand that. Boy, this is aggravating. I did something wrong here somewhere. There goes a nothing. You see, people, when you mash them, they bite. It's not their fault. I'm touching them. I'm hurting. I got stung twice on the same finger. Now, that's smart. I don't know what's wrong here. Oh, I know what's wrong. That's upside down. That box is on there upside down. They are not going to come out. So that means I'm going to have to take this box, take it in the shed and work and redo it completely. I figured you out. How in the world did I make a mistake like that? I made it. Now, how in the world I made a mistake like that? They just wasn't paying attention. And when I take this frame off the box, most of the frames are going to stay there. See what I'm saying? That box was in there upside down, people. There you go. Now that is what you call not bread. Smoking everything in sight. Yeah, that's empty. Well, I'm going to have to edit this video, but I want y'all to see how easy it is to make a stupid mistake. Sting me on my finger again, I'm going to be upset with you people.